Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be heating up one of these Lily's Toaster Grills grilled American cheese sandwiches. We picked these up at Costco and this is what they look like. Now, even though it says toaster grill, you don't just put it in the toaster, unfortunately. So grab yourself a paper towel. We're going to open this up. And I like to just sit it on there, fold this over halfway, and we're actually going to take this over to our microwave and put it in for 30 seconds. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. All right, now that that is partially heated up, it's still pretty firm in the middle, so you're gonna pop it finally into your toaster, and you're gonna do it on one cycle of medium-high heat. So I've got mine set about right there, and we're just gonna let that go. All right, now that that is done, we're gonna take it out. It is quite toasty. I'm gonna slice it up, and that's all you got to do, guys. If you want to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're going to tell you all about this and give you our review on it. But in the meantime, don't forget to click that subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.